And what kind of meat is this?
This is shaved beef that you can get from Aldi. It's already like ready for a sandwich.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. And then those are the deli rolls that you used?
Yep. And these are the rolls. And all of them comes from Aldi.
Nice.
Lovin'.
All righty. Okay.
Get some
Cut some cheese.
yeah, it's mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese. Okay.
It's already like marinated with the seasonings and stuff on it. So I just take a couple slices and just put it on a sandwich.
Slice and dice it.
That's it. And I put it in the microwave and melt it.
All right.
That's all.
We're gonna see what this looks like when we get through. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. Okay. What do we have in here?
This is just grilled peppers and onions and mushrooms all in one. Once I finish cooking the beef, I just toss in the veggies and grill them up and then put them on a sandwich.
All right. Cool. What kind of sandwich is that?
Philly cheese sandwich.
Oh, Philly cheese.
Yeah, it's got mushrooms, onions, a little bit of red peppers, green peppers.
Oh, okay. What kind of meat is that? Just
shredded beef.
Shredded beef?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That's it. And then I put some cheese on it.
All right. Provolone cheese too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Along with the mozzarella. Just a little. And then I just take it and put it right on top.
Okay.
And I like a little pepper jack.
A little pepper jack cheese as well?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I know. Everybody's gonna say, it's a lot of cheese. But it's my sandwich.
It ain't easy being cheesy.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna take a little piece for myself. Then I'll put the rest on her.
I heard that. All right, then you melt it down?
In the microwave.
All right, let's see what it looks like when you're done. All right, and this is the finishing product, huh?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Look at that sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what is that you put on it?
I put 3 cheeses, pepper jack, provolone, and a little bit of mozzarella.
Okay.
Just very thin slices.
Or would it just sprinkle on it?
Seasoning.
Okay.
Whatever seasoning you want to put on it, you put on it. Season it yourself.
All right. That looks very good. Test time. Man. You can taste the meat, all the peppers, and the cheese is so fire. Really good sandwich. Mmm. Look at that. Mm. Really good. Another satisfied customer at Tia's Kitchen.